Dear friends, in last class we have discussed about vector product or cross product of two vectors and its problems. In today's class, now let us discuss about scalar triple product or box product. Now, what is a scalar triple product? What is the definition of scalar triple product? So let vector A, vector B and vector C be any three vectors. Be any three vectors. The scalar product vector A and vector B cross C, that is vector A dot of vector B cross C is called a scalar triple product of vector A, vector B and vector C in this order, and it is denoted by and scalar product of three vectors is denoted by box product of vector A, vector B, vector C. The definition of scalar triple product is let vector A, vector B and vector C be any three vectors. The scalar product vector A and vector B cross C vector, that means vector A dot B cross C, that is called the scalar triple product of vector A, vector B and vector C in this order, and that is denoted by box product of vector A, B and vector C, vector A comma vector B comma vector C equals vector A dot vector B cross C. This is scalar triple product definition. The next, what are the observations of scalar triple product or box product of three vectors? What are the observations? So first observation, since vector B cross vector C is a vector and vector A dot vector B cross C is a scalar quantity, that is a vector B cross vector C is a vector and vector A dot vector B cross vector C is a scalar quantity, that is box product vector A, vector B, vector C is a scalar quantity. Second observation, volume of parallelopoid is volume of parallelepiped. Magnitude of vector A dot vector B cross vector C. Third observation, if vector A is equal to A1 high plus A2j plus A3k, vector B is B1 high plus B2j plus B3k, vector C is equal to C1 high plus C2j plus C3k. Then vector A dot vector B cross vector C is equal to determinant of A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. A dot of B cross C is determinant of A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3 and third row C1, C2, C3. The next fourth observation, if vector A, vector B and vector C be any three vectors, then box product vector A, vector B, vector C is equal to vector B, vector C, vector A is also equals vector C, vector A, vector B. If vector A, vector B and vector C be any three vectors, then box product of vector A, B, C equals B vector C vector A vector is equal to vector C vector A vector B. So fifth observation, in scalar triple product vector A dot of vector B cross vector C, the dot and cross product can be interchanged. That is vector A dot of vector B cross C, that is equal to box product vector B A vector B vector C is equal to vector C vector A vector B is also equals C vector dot of A vector cross B vector, that is equal to A vector cross B vector dot C vector. So sixth observation, box product of vector A, vector B, vector C is equal to minus box product of vector A, vector C, vector B. Seventh one, box product of vector A, vector B is equal to 0, or vector A, vector B, vector B, that is also equal to 0, or vector B C, vector C equal to 0. So these are all observations of scalar triple product or box product of three vectors. The next, coplanarity of three vectors. Coplanarity of three vectors. Coplanarity of three vectors. Three vectors, vector A, three vectors, vector A, comma vector B and vector C are coplanar if and only if and only if vector A dot vector B cross vector C, that is equal to 0. Three vectors, vector A, vector B and vector C are coplanars if and only if vector A dot of vector B cross C vector equal to 0. Say coplanarity of three vectors. Now we shall go for problems, that is example 1. Find vector A dot of vector B cross vector C. Find vector A dot vector B cross vector C. If vector A equals 2I plus J plus 3K, vector B equals minus I plus 2J plus K, and vector C equals 3I plus J plus 2K. So using these three vector A, vector B and vector C, find A vector dot of vector B cross vector C, that means scalar triple product. So now vector A dot of vector B cross vector C is equal to determinant of first vector components, write in first row 2, 1, 3. Second vector B vector components, write in second row minus 1, 2, 1. And third vector components, write in third row 3, 1, 2. So therefore vector A dot of vector B cross vector C is equal to 2 into 2 2s are 4 minus 1. So minus 1 into minus 2. So minus 3 plus 3 into minus 1 minus 6. Therefore vector A dot of vector B cross C vector is equal to 2 3 into minus 7, that is equal to 6 plus 5 minus 7 3s are 21. 6 plus 5, 11 minus 21 is equal to minus 10. So therefore vector A dot of vector B cross C is equal to minus 10. So one more example, find box product of vector A, vector B, vector C. If vector A equals I minus 2j plus 3k, I minus 2j plus 3k. Vector B equals 2i minus 3j plus k, and C vector is equal to 3i plus j minus 2k. Here also using vector A, vector B and vector C, find box product of vector A, vector B and vector C. So we know that box product of vector A, vector B, vector C is equal to vector A dot vector B cross vector C. So therefore vector A dot of vector B cross vector C is equal to determinant of 1 minus 2 3, vector B components write in second row 2 minus 3 1, vector C components write in third row 3 1 minus 2. Therefore vector A dot of vector B cross vector C is equal to 1 into 6 minus 1, minus into minus plus 2, 2 2s are minus 4 minus 3 plus 3 into 2 minus into minus plus 3 3s are 9. Therefore vector A dot of vector B cross vector C is equal to 1 into 5 plus 2 into minus 7 plus 3 into 2 plus 9 11. Therefore vector A dot vector B cross vector C is equal to 5 minus 14 plus 33. So therefore vector A dot of vector B cross vector C is equal to, so 33 plus 5 38 minus 14 is equal to plus 24. So therefore the box product of, that is vector A, vector B, vector C is equal to 24. The next example, show that the vectors. Example 3, show that the vectors. Show that the vectors, vector A is equal to I minus 2j, I minus 2j plus 3k. Vector B is equal to minus 2i plus 3j plus k. Minus 2i plus 3j, minus 4k, and vector C is equal to I minus 3j plus 5k or coplanar. Coplanar means three vectors, vector A, vector B and vector C are coplanar if and only if vector A dot of vector B cross vector C equal to 0. 0, these three vectors, the box product of these three vectors is 0. That means that is coplanar. That's right. Vector A dot vector B cross vector C is equal to 1 minus 2 3 minus 2 3 minus 4 1 minus 3 5. Therefore vector A dot of vector B cross vector C is equal to 1. 3 5s are 15, minus 3 4s are 12, minus into minus is plus 2, minus 10, plus 4, plus 3. 6 minus 3 equals 1 into 3 plus 2 into minus 6 plus 3 into 3 minus 12 plus 9 gets cancellation. Therefore A vector dot of vector B cross vector C equal to 0. Therefore the given three vectors, vector A, vector B and vector C are coplanar vectors. Right, next example, example 4, find lambda. Find lambda if the vectors, vector A I plus 3j plus k, vector B 2i minus j minus k, and vector C is equal to lambda I plus 7j plus 3k or coplanar. These three vectors are coplanar vector. Find the value of lambda. Here also vector A dot vector B cross vector C is equal to 0. This implies vector A components 1, 3, 1, vector B components 2, minus 1, minus 1, vector C components lambda 7, 3 equal to 0. So expand this determinant 1 into minus 3 plus 7 minus 3 into 2 3s are 6 plus lambda plus 1 2 7s are 14 plus lambda equal to 0. 1 into 4 minus 3 into 6 plus lambda plus 1 into 14 plus lambda equal to 0. 4 minus 18 minus 3 lambda plus 14 plus lambda equal to 0. Minus 3 lambda plus lambda, subtract that, minus 2 lambda, 4 plus 14, 18 minus 18, minus 18 plus 18 equal to 0. Therefore minus 2 lambda equal to 0. Therefore lambda is 0. The value of lambda is 0. The next example, show that the 4 points, show that the 4 points is A, B, C and D with position vectors, with position vectors 4i plus 5j plus k, comma minus j minus k, comma 3i plus 9j plus k and minus 4i plus 4j plus 4k or coplanar respectively, or coplanar. Here show that the 4 points A, B, C and D with position vectors. So 4 position vectors are given here. That is coplanar. So right, we know that the 4 points A, B, C and D are coplanar if the three vectors, vector AB, vector AC write first find AB vector, OB vector minus OA vector. Therefore, AB vector equals OB. What is OB? Minus J minus K of minus 4i plus 5j plus K. Therefore, AB vector is equal to minus 4i minus 5 minus 1 minus 6j minus k minus 2k. AB vector becomes minus 4i minus 6j minus 2k. The next find AC vector, that is OC minus OA. Therefore, AC vector is equal to OC 3i plus 9j plus k minus OA 4i plus 5j plus k. Therefore, AC vector is equal to 3i minus 4i is minus I, 9j minus 5j plus 4j, k minus k plus 0k. The next find AC, that is OD minus OA. Therefore, AD vector is equal to OD minus 4i plus 4j plus 4k minus 4i plus 5j plus k. So therefore, AD vectors is equal to minus 4 minus 4i minus 8i minus plus 4j minus 5j is minus j, 4k minus k plus 3k. So therefore, AB vector, AC vector, AD vector, that is equal to AB vector minus 4 minus 6 minus 2, AC minus 1 4 3, AD vector minus 8 minus 1 3, that is equal to minus 4 3s are 12 plus 3 plus 6 minus 3 minus into minus plus 24 minus 2 1 plus 32 equal to minus 4 15 plus 6 21 minus 2 33. 15 fours are minus 60 plus 126 minus 66 minus 126 plus 126 gets cancellation equal to 0. Therefore, vector AB, vector AC, vector AD equal to 0. Therefore, the given 4 points A, B, C and D are coplanar vectors. The next example, prove that vector A, vector B, vector C plus D is equal to vector A, vector B, vector C plus vector A, vector B, vector D. So, by the definition of scalar triple product, we have left hand side is equal to vector A, vector B, vector C plus D. Therefore, left hand side is equal to, by the definition of scalar triple product, we can write vector A dot box product vector B cross vector C plus D. Therefore, left hand side is equal to vector A dot B cross C, B cross C plus vector A or B cross C plus B cross D. So therefore, left hand side is equal to vector A dot of B vector cross C vector plus vector A dot of vector B cross vector D. Therefore, this scalar triple product, this can be written as box product of vector A, vector B, vector C plus vector A, vector B, vector C. So therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore, vector A, vector A, vector B, vector C plus D vector is equal to vector A, vector B, vector C plus vector A, vector B, vector D. Okay, students, stop here. So, we'll continue in next class.